How does a blog help you in your career as a software developer? So a blog is very powerful for a software developer for many reasons, but say you're a software developer and you're looking for a job. Now, everyone is pretty much sending in a resume and a cover letter. Well, at least a resume, maybe an application. And since everyone is sending at least a resume, if you only send a resume, a cover letter, you're just doing what everyone else is doing. And your chances are the same as everyone else. If something is different about you, like your skills or something, you set yourself apart differently. Maybe you're really smart, or maybe you graduated from MIT or something. Increases your chances. But other than that, you're pretty much like everyone else, and your chances of getting that job are maybe like 5%, maybe even less. So ways to increase that chance of getting that job is to stand out. And a really big thing is having a blog. If you have a blog and you write stuff about, like, you're an Android developer and you write stuff about Android development, it shows that you know what you're talking about and you have authority online. It helps you stand out a lot. A lot of times people will hire you specifically because you have a blog and that's it. People will come to you and actually hire you outright because you have a blog, because you know what you're talking about, and they don't really have to do a full interview process on you. They know what you're talking about. And another thing, since you have authority and you have a blog, they know what you're talking about, you can negotiate your salary a little more. What I mean by that is you may have, a 4-year degree, another person may have a 4-year degree, the same amount of experience, and they want this one guy for 70,000, for example. And let's say they offer you 70,000 and you don't have a blog yet. And now let's say you have a blog, another person has a blog, the same experience, the same college and everything, they'll offer them maybe like 80,000, and he could probably push up to 85,000 if he negotiates a little bit more. But there is a higher salary just because you have a blog, because you have authority, um, all that stuff, and you can negotiate a little bit higher because you can get job offers. You will have more opportunity to get more jobs. So letting a job go because they're not giving you, 5 or 10 grand more for a salary is a lot easier. So you have more options. You have more options because people are going to come to you and ask you to work for them. You're going to have a higher chance of getting hired because you're standing out a lot. And with that, you can actually negotiate a salary and, not really care if they don't give you the job because it's not to your salary requirements. You have a higher chance of getting hired places. And overall, you can create your blog into more of a business if you want to. Maybe sell some books or something, make some income on the side, and that also gives you authority. Once you have a book out there, I'm sure that gives you a lot of authority and a higher chance to get hired. So with the blog, you get a higher chance of getting hired, more opportunities, more jobs that aren't available to the public really. Salary, you can negotiate your salary and all. Very good things. So I do recommend everyone to start a blog when they're a software developer and they want to improve into their career.